Good to be with you again. It's Christopher here, this time to talk about the overview. If you are working in the local congregational portal or in the circuit or diocese or district or even connectional provincial portals and General Assembly portals, you'll see a little icon that says overview. In the overview, this gives you graphic pictures of the statistics around your church. Now, why did we do that? We did that because it's quick and easy to see the average age of a congregation, the breakdown of ages, the various statuses of the congregation with their members or children or whatever else, the disabilities of a person. So, with a quick overview, you can get a glimpse of what that church looks like, what that area or diocese or province looks like, and the language breakdown. Important here. One bishop I was talking to was saying, Christopher, help me understand the demographic of the church that I'm preaching in on Sunday. So I took him to the place in his own system and I pointed to the overview and he said, I'm going to preach in this particular congregation on Sunday, and I realized that the majority of the people in this congregation are Tswana and then Xhosa. He said, I now know not just to preach in Sotho, but to mix my languages between Tswana and Xhosa. And he said that is helpful to know what the breakdown of the languages are. So that's the benefits around these things. But within this also, you can click on an annual statistic button. That'll show you the number of members that have moved in and out of the church, transferred in, those number of people who've died in the congregation, but also those number of people who've been baptized or confirmed, etc., etc. So those statistics are quite important. Why? Because most churches need to give an annual report on statistics. At the click of one button, you have those statistics in front of you, and that's a very helpful thing. At a provincial and at a presbytery or diocesan or district level, those help the various secretaries see at a quick glance what's going on. One of the things that is not within the overview is the worship statistics, but that we'll get to in another tutorial around the worship portal. But I do invite you to make sure that your records are accurate and you keep these things flowing, your transfers in and out, etc., so that at the end of the year, when it comes to the 1st of January, we do a overview cameo picture for you on the 1st of January every year, so that you have a complete record over the number of years on the 1st of January, what your stats look like. That'll help us to keep an idea of how our churches are growing and developing in the mission of God. So that's it. Hope that's helpful to you. God bless.